In the name of Allah, the most merciful and the most compassionate. The International Faculty for Teaching Quran and Islamic Studies presents Arabic Language, Conversation and Translation. Dr. Mahmoud Musa.
بسم الله الحمد لله والصلاة والسلام على رسول الله. This is the first lecture of Arabic language in the second term in the International Faculty. We are going to talk about interrogatives in Arabic. We will continue giving examples about substitution in Arabic. We have known how pronouns substitute other words or sentences. Today we are going to get another example of substitution in Arabic. It is interrogatives. We will see how interrogatives substitute other words in Arabic. Interrogatives in Arabic mean أدوات الاستفهام. They are words used to understand something. The word الاستفهام comes from فهم, means understanding. So, to understand something, we use أدوات الاستفهام. Let's have an example in English about interrogatives. Then we move to Arabic. If someone threw the ball and we want to know who did it, we say, who threw the ball? Who is an interrogative used to ask about the person who did the action. In Arabic, it is similar. We say, من رمى الكرة. The word من is an interrogative. It substituted the subject of the sentence. For example, the boy, الصبي. We say, الصبي رمى الكرة. Let's have another example to understand substitution with interrogatives. We say, أكل أخي التفاحة. We want to ask about the object of the sentence. The thing was eaten by my brother. ماذا أكل أخي? We notice that we did two things. First, we substituted التفاحة with ماذا. أكل أخي ماذا. Second, we moved ماذا to the beginning of the sentence. In Arabic, usually we move the word that we emphasize to the beginning of the sentence. The sentence is a question, so we put the interrogative at the beginning to emphasize its function as a question. We say, ماذا أكل أخي? Interrogatives in Arabic are divided into letters and particles. First, letters are هل and الهمزة. Second, particles are من, أي, ما, متى, أيان, أين, كيف, كم. First, letters as interrogatives. We have هل. The answer of any question starts with هل is always نعم or لا, yes or no. هل قرأت الكتاب? It means, did you read the book? Here, هل is used with a verbal sentence. هل also comes with a noun phrase like هل السؤال صعب? Is the question difficult? We notice that السؤال صعب is a noun phrase. Now, we have الهمزة as an interrogative. It is similar to هل. Usually, the reply is نعم or لا. أقرأت الكتاب? Did you read the book? Both هل and همزة should come at the beginning of the question. Second, we have particles as interrogatives. First, we have من. It is used for people as a subject and object. It is like who in English. We had an example of من before. من رمى الكرة. An example of من as an object is من كلم المعلم. The answer is كلم المعلم الطالبة. The interrogative من replaced the object الطالبة. The second interrogative is ما. It is used for things as subject and object. It is like what in English. ما الذي قلت? What did you say? Usually, it is followed by the relative pronoun the. So we say ماذا فعلت? What did you do? When a preposition comes before it, alif will be deleted from ما. For example, عما يتساءلون. It was عن ما. The preposition عن comes before ما. They become one word عما. Then we have the interrogative أي. It is used for both people and things. It means which in English. A noun comes after it. It is used to choose and decide something. We say أي الفاكهة تفضل? Which fruit do you prefer? الفاكهة is a noun. It comes after أي. And we say أي طالب نجح? which student succeeded. طالب is a person. It is noun also. Then we have متى. It is used to ask about time. It means when. We say متى جئت. When did you come? We have another interrogative, which is أين. It is used to ask about place. It means where. We say أين تعيش. Where do you live? كيف. It is used to ask about situation and manner. It means how. We say كيف حالك. How are you? كيف تحل المسألة. How do you solve the problem? The last interrogative we will talk about is كم. It is used to ask about quantity and number. It means how. We say كم طالب في الصف. How many students are in the class? It asks about quantity, number. كم عمرك. How old are you? So far we talked about interrogatives as a kind of substitution. It is used in Arabic to substitute words with others. We noticed how we moved the interrogatives after replacing the nouns to the beginning of the sentence. We talked also about the main interrogative words in Arabic.